So now you're confusing. They don't make any sense to me. So instead, let's rewrite this as 5 to the what is 125. You can convert any log to an exponential problem, and vice versa. You can convert any exponential problem to a logarithm. Now it's a little more easier. So 5 squared is 25, 5 cubed, okay, so x is 3. Done. Not too bad, right? Just as another example, just play around with these things. If I said to you, can we simplify? So log base 2 to the 6 minus log base 2 to the 15 plus log base 2 to the 20. What's going on here? So simplify, write this using a single logarithm. So how do you clean this up a little bit? Just evaluate this, or maybe we can. But the first two terms, notice they all have the same base. One of the rules here is they have to have the same base. They have different bases, they kind of stuck, but they have the same base. So I can combine the first two together. Subtraction turns into division. So I can write this as a single logarithm log base 2 of 6 over 15. Simplifies a little. Clean that in a second. I'll see that one out. So log base 2 divided by 3, both of them get 2 fifths. Okay, plus over here. Plus log base 2 of 20. And now I have two logarithms with the same base we were adding. So we go here to rule number 1, and I can write that as a product. So this becomes a single logarithm, log base 2 of 2 fifths times 20. And that, of course, the 5 and the 20 become 4, and you get log base 2 of 8. You say, am I done? Well, kinda. You're not wrong if you leave like this, but 8, remember, is log base 2 of 2 cubed. Room here. And when I have powers, I can use rule number 3 to bring the exponent down. So this becomes 3 times log base 2 of 2. Now here's a question for you. I'm going to put it here as our little things to remember under rule number 4. If I have a log to a certain base, and I plug in that base, what is the answer? So let's go over here. Let's think of this as an exponential problem. So it's saying a to the what is a. What is the exponent that gives me back the base? Whenever they match, you always get 1. So log 2 of 2 is just 1. This becomes 3 times 1, so our final answer here is 3. Okay. All right. Review these, and then we'll talk more about our natural logarithm, which is the one that's going to come up the most in the class. But keep these handy if you haven't seen these before, or if you need a refresher. I treat number 4, basically these rules got 3 parts. We will use these constantly in this class, so get comfortable with that. Okay, let's pause here and work on these for a bit before moving on. Talk to you soon. Pause here and work on these for a bit before moving on. Talk to you soon. Okay, hi everyone, welcome to our discussion on the natural logarithms. This is a specific base of the logarithm that we are going to talk about.